Welcome back to another Genius tutorial. My name is Cooper. Today we'll be talking about how to customize your cluster with the board control button. The BC button can be used to cycle through different information. On vehicles that have Live Cockpit Pro equipped, we can even customize what displays on the screen. The first one is MPG information. On the left side, we'll have the MPG number. And then we'll have a 0 with a dash through it, and that will be the current MPG level. The second one, we have the total miles, and data since individual is going to be the trip data, and it'll show you the miles traveled in that data as well as the average miles per hour. This one is going to be horsepower and torque. This will change over depending on your acceleration. This one will be your GForce rating. This will change depending on your turning as well as accelerating. This will also show you the gear information. This will show you what gear you're in as well as what drive mode you are in. Lastly, we have media control. This will show you what song you're playing. Well, that was another Weather for BMW Genius tutorial. My name's Cooper, and we'll talk to you soon.